everyone, welcome back to my channel Uday #technical. Today we will discuss variable in C. Variable is very important in computer programming because when in computer programming we want to store any data and after we want to access the data, then variable is required. Suppose if we want to store any data value in programming like 20, 30 or 40, whatever. When the value is stored in programming, then the value actually is stored in computer memory. Suppose this is computer memory. As we can store any data in our memory, similarly computer can store any data in computer memory. But when we can store 20, 30 or 40, this is stored in computer memory in any random location. So 20 is here, 30 is here and 40 is here. 20, 30 and 40 is stored in computer memory in any random location, in any random memory location. And every memory locations has different types of addresses. This is, suppose this is 1024, 1028, 1032, and this memory address is always positive. This is not negative, this is positive. But if you want to access 20 or 40 or 30, whatever, how we will access the data? We don't know where the data value is stored, which memory addresses. This is not possible. But we can to give name to this memory location. We can to give the name to this memory location. As an example, this is A, this is B and this is C. When we can call A, then 20 value is access. When we can call B, then 30 value is access. When we can call C, then 40 value is access. But A, B, C, what is? A, B, C is what? A, B, C is variable name. A, B, C is variable name. So what is variable? Variable is a data value. Variable is a data name, variable is a data name that can store any data value. So what is variable and how the variable is worked in programming, we will see it on the laptop screen. Let's get started. Variable in C. Variable is a data name that may be used to store a data value. Here the data name is A, B and C and the data value is 20, 30 and 40, and this data name A, B and C may be used to store these data values. As an example, the variable name A is used to store this data value, the 20 data value. And another example, the B is a data name that may be store this data value. C variable is a named location in a memory where a program can manipulate the data. C location is used to hold the value of variable. Example, int a equal to 20, float amount equal to 30.50. Here int and float is the data type A and amount is a variable and 20 and 30.50 is a value. C variable might be belonging to any of the data type like int, float, character, etc. Write a C program to access a data value using variable. Hash include stdio.h, int main, int x is equal to 20, print x, printf x is equal to %dx. Here 20 is data value and x is variable. We can store this variable, we can store this value using this variable. This variable means here x. Here x is a variable and 20 is value that manipulate the data. And run this program in Dev C++ software. Here x is equal to 20 and run the program. X, the result we get x is equal to 20. Why we get x is equal to 20? Because we can store the value, the data value, this variable and print x. So we get the result x is equal to 20. Next, a variable may take different values at different times during execution. Through a C program to show how variable may take different values at different times during execution. Run the program in Dev C++ software. Here we first declare x is equal to 20. The data value 20 is first declared in x variable, but later we change this data value 20 to 10 in same variable and print x, and let's run the program. Here we get the result x is equal to 20. So we understood how the way the variable is changed in the program during executions. A variable may take different values at different times during execution. And next, rules for defining variables. A variable name can start with the alphabet underscore only, it cannot start with a digit. Second, white space is not allowed. Third, a variable name should not be allowed keyword, example float, go to, if else, etc. And uppercase and lowercase are significant, that is the variable total is not same as total or total. I have used 3 colors to explain how this total word differs from each other. Thank you very much for watching this video.